this video, we're going to walk through logging into Panopto and adding the Panopto block to your Moodle course. So firstly, you can get to Panopto through the CTL site, sites.center.edu, Instructional Technology, Tech Tools, Panopto, or from the main CTL page, ctl.center.edu, click on Instructional Technology, under Tech Tools, Panopto, and then you will see a link to log into Panopto. The direct link is centervideo.hosted.panopto.com. Once you get there, it should default to Center Quick Launch SSO, and when you click on that, you'll just log in. I'm already logged in, but you'll log in with your center credentials, and that will create your library or your folder. So that will give you a folder, and then you'll be able to upload content. If you want to add it to your Moodle course and provision a course that way, you go to your Moodle course, and with editing on, scroll down to the bottom left and add a block. And then you're going to find the Panopto block in the list and add. And once it adds, you should be able to, if this is already provisioned, it'll say course settings, and it'll take you directly to that. If it hasn't been provisioned yet, it'll say provision course, and then you would click on this button that says provision course. And when you click on that, it'll take you directly to this screen where you can set settings for how students can access content, how you can access content, captions, how to share, and all of those settings. We will cover more Panopto content in the future, but for now, this should get you started.